I'm Megan Davidson, a project manager for Capital Projects. Today, I'm excited to share an overview of the Robson Ranch Roadway expansion project. The City of Denton is partnering with Denton County to upgrade Robson Ranch Road. The county is providing the design and funding, and the city will manage construction for the project. The project includes upgrading the intersections at Gibbs Road and Robson Boulevard, and from Sagehawk to I-35W. Dedicated turn lanes will be installed, widening Robson Ranch Road at newly installed traffic signals. Cost for this project is just over $3.2 million. Construction is planned to begin in July and is expected to be completed in early 2027. For more information, visit the Robson Ranch Roadway Expansion Project page at discussdenton.com.